Okay student, next structure is of NH3, that is ammonia. You might have heard about it in class 9, ammonia. The structure is NH3. Okay, now how we will draw? N is having how many electrons? 7 electrons. 5 electron in its last shell. Okay, this is the configuration of N. Okay, now it is bonded with 3 hydrogen. Okay, so let's draw. N के पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं? 5. Like this we are drawing because we want to make single bond. Okay. Now 3 hydrogen required. How we will draw? The structure should be like this. And this two will not participate in bond formation. Understood? ये bond formation में participate नहीं करेगा. बाकी 3 electrons it will participate in bond formation. Okay. So let's see. These are the electrons of nitrogen. These two I am making together because I want to make single bond. Okay. Okay. Hydrogen is capable of taking how many electrons? 2 electrons. It will not form octet. It will always form duplet. So see, like this you will overlap. Like this. Like this. Okay. Understood? But nitrogen is having the capability to complete its octet. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? Nitrogen is completing its octet. Understood? Okay. But these two electrons are not participating in bond formation. These are called lone pair of electrons. What? Lone pair of electrons which are not participating in bond formation. Understood? We can indicate this or symbolize this in this form. These are the single bonds where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 pair of electrons are shared. Okay, means single bond. One pair at each time. Okay, it is not a triple bond. It is a single bond. Okay, here one single bond, here one single bond, and here one single bond. Okay, here this is not participating in bond formation. These are called lone pair electrons. Okay, so this is the structure for your NH3. Understood? Structure for ammonia. Okay, please draw this and then we will do the structure for H2O. Okay, H2O. First draw this. Okay, now next structure is of H2O. Okay, now students, you know that H is having, means H will do what? It will take 1 electron and complete its octet. But oxygen is having how many electrons? It is having 6 electrons in the outermost shell. So oxygen is having this configuration. Okay, this is the configuration. You please draw it first. This oxygen is having 6 electrons in the outermost shell and hydrogen is having only 1 electron in the outermost shell. Okay, after drawing this, student, you will overlap. Okay, you will overlap the structure. Now see how the overlapping will be done. electrons. So what we'll do, we will make like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and here hydrogen. Okay, oxygen we will draw like this. Okay, this will be together, this two will be together, this two will be together, and this will be at the side. Okay, now after drawing this, what we will do, we will draw the electrons of hydrogen. Hydrogen का कैसे? Like this we are doing. Understood? Make it straight so that it will be very clear. Otherwise, if your diagram will not be correct, then overlapping will not be correct. Understood? Okay. Now overlap this. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How will be the structure? This will be the structure. Understood? But these two electrons, this means 1, 2, 3, 4. It has not participated in the bond formation. Understood? So you can denote it like this. इसको बोलते हैं what? Lone pairs of electrons which are not participating in bond formation. Understood? Okay. Draw the diagram very clearly, students. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to understand. So please draw it properly. You can take the screenshot, you can save it, and then again and again you practice it so that it will be very clear. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to remember. Okay.